All right, you guys, we're at Greenwood. This is the Cadd'Ys of the day. Hey, Sawadika. Suwai, song Suwai. Was not fun, Sanuk Sunan? Hey.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Caddy of the Day. Today, we take you on a journey far, far away where we run into a thick one. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute.
All right, y'all, this is Greenwood Golf Course. Never been here before. If I have, I don't remember. Let's see what we doing here. Okay, I don't remember this, man. We been here? Do you? You remember this? Okay.
The Pro Shop has all the necessary essentials you might need on a golf course. For instance,
you heard it. You guys, I gotta stop for a minute. Look at this. I'm 2 blocks from the beach, but they're building a new structure that's gonna block my view. There's nothing I can do about it, but I'm just showing you guys for historical purposes, so when you look, next time I show you the view, it might not be there no more. Anyway, back to work. You were screaming, boy. Can you do that again? Can you go far? Nah, you were screaming. He hit the ball out of body. Far. You know how to scream. Yeah, you a screamer. This was a little thick screamer. I see you.
this is a prime example of a diamond in the rough. Never had an interaction with an American black before. Her innocence makes her even more attractive. Not to mention, well, you know, the walk speaks for itself. At first, she was a little hesitant to be my caddy, but after she heard me speak Thai and tell a few jokes, I was in there like swimwear.
What is your name? Bon. You Thai? You Isan? Thai. She's Thai, y'all. This is the one that's Thai. All right, today we got a male caddy. Swadee Kap. Hey, Swadee Kap. What's your name? Jeet? Jeet. Swadee Kap. Hey. Swadee Kap. Man, Swadee Kap. Hey.
As she lays down my ball and steps back to access the hole, I think about, there it is again, the warm smile. I think what men in the Matrix would give to have a woman genuinely smile at them. She would be cuffed immediately. But here, just another caddy. Even though I missed the putt, my reward is to follow my caddy to the next hole. Even Russell sneaks a peek at the cheeks as she saunters back to the golf cart. But as we all admire her hardware, Teddy reminds me to take the proper provisions and check under the hood.
They check to make sure you see how old she is. That is an excellent idea. Let's find out. Before we go any further, we gotta find out, how old are you? How old?
20 ค่ะ
20? King?
จริง
All right. He got big power? King? You like big power? Oh, they say they like the big power.
Golf is more than just a sport. It's a powerful tool for networking and building lasting relationships in both personal and professional spheres. The relaxed pace of the game allows for meaningful conversations and deeper connections that may not occur in a formal setting. Many business deals and collaborations happen on the golf course because it offers a unique blend of competition, camaraderie, and shared experiences. Whether you're negotiating a contract, discussing future partnerships, or simply building a rapport with new acquaintances, golf provides an environment where trust and understanding flourish.
What's happening?
Come on, man.
What you doing, man?
I just want to know what you doing here.
Man. I'm just passing through, brother.
Just playing through.
Just playing through.
I'm coming to see you in the Thai.
You gonna zoom to Thailand?
Come on, bro. Me and the missus.
Yes, as you should. As you should.
Yes,
Celebrity
sir.
golf tournament. I want you there.
I'm there.
All right, December.
Have sticks full track.
Absolutely. All right, D. Good seeing you, bro.
Mastering the game can open doors for exclusive opportunities and create bonds that extend well beyond the 18th hole. On top of that, here are 10 more reasons you should learn to play golf, especially here in Thailand, where my subscribers and Patreon members will have the chance to play around with the Travel OG, especially those attending Zoom Fest. These are some of the caddies I guarantee you will meet in person.
กดไลค์กด subscribe
Hey, let him know.
Zoom to Thailand
Hey,
number 1
hey, that's right, baby.
Back to the green caddy.
So this is the challenging part. My caddy don't speak a lot of English. You speak English?
นิดหน่อย
See, need no means a little bit. She only speak a little bit of English, but we're gonna make it work. Can you say caddy
caddy
of the day?
of the day
Hey, now say caddy of the day.
caddy of the day
Hey, caddy, tell I. 3 on, 4 on, 4 on. Okay, I got a chance. Hell it, baby. Tell him. Oh, tell him. Tell him. We got some screamers out here. All right, so y'all, this is what happens in Thailand during the rainy season. The rain will just start coming down. So look what the caddies do, man. They cover up our clubs. We don't ask for this. See over here. Let's go.
ไปจอดบนฟ้า
Let's go, baby. I mean, it's not bad to be caught in the rain with a caddy of the day.
And since we were reined in, we decided to check out the Greenwood restaurant and have some tender vittles.
They're looking at the menu. They're looking pretty interesting.
And we must say the food at the Greenwood restaurant was delicious and the prices were more than fair. A Thai meal combo with a drink here will run you about $6 US.
And you can't beat that with a bag.
And that just about does it for this episode of Caddy of the Day. I hope you enjoyed it. For me and all of my friends at Zoom to Thailand, I'm Thurston McMyer III, and I wish you peace, love, and put it in the hole!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
If you are a Patreon member and you want to go on a golf date, don't forget to email us at zoomtothailand@gmail.com. And also, for behind-the-scenes live interactions with the caddies, please consider joining the Patreon. You won't regret it.
All right, so one of you lucky Patreon members is going to get a chance to meet or say hello to Beer. Because my Patreon members rock with me hard, so I'm going to make sure I pay y'all back. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you say hello, make sure you polite.
Hello.
Yeah. You single? Oh.
50-50
Oh, she 50-50. Well, y'all get a 50-50 chance of talking to her then. She might be a player. Cadd'Ys. Hey.